Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make the most delicious moi moi. Here we'll have our garlic, we'll have our ginger, we'll have two big onion and some pepper. Here we'll have tatashe, we'll have our shombo. They are nicely washed. So in my blender I added the onion, I added the garlic, and I'll be slicing in the ginger in a smaller parts to help it blend so well. So next I added a little water to give it a quick blend. A moment later, I started to add my tatashe. I started to add my shombo. As you can see me doing, these are my shombo. I'm adding it. I'll be giving it a quick blend until they are well blended. Here I have my blended crayfish, some salt, some vegetable oil, some bouillon, some grated nutmeg, some boiled eggs, hard boiled eggs, and smoked citrus fish. So I've washed and I've grinded our beans and I set it aside before now. So I added the pepper mix and I'll be giving it a quick stir until everything is nicely combined. As you can see, they are well combined. Yes. So next I'll be adding our salt. Feel free to add quantity of salt you wish, but make sure not to oversalt your moi moi. Next I added our grated nutmeg, some bouillon. Next I'll be adding our vegetable oil. Lastly, I'll be adding the blended crayfish. I'll be giving it a quick stir until everything is nicely combined. Stir very well to make sure everything you added is nicely combined. So here is our reusable moi moi pouch. Before I started using it, I greased it with some oil so that they won't get stuck in the foil when we're about to remove it. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please I beg you kindly subscribe. If you like what you're watching, please do not leave without subscribing. And turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much. So I'm scooping them into the foil. And here we are. I have my custard. I added a little honey. So our moi moi at this point is nicely cooked. Yes, everybody in the family enjoyed it because it tasted so well. If you haven't been adding nutmeg and ginger and garlic to your moi moi, please start now to add. You will enjoy it more. Please make sure you've subscribed. Do not leave without subscribing, I beg you. Thank you so much. I love you all.